A move-out fridge cleaning is essential to ensure the appliance is left spotless for the next occupant. The process begins by emptying the fridge of all food and items. Shelves, drawers, and compartments are removed and cleaned separately to ensure every corner is reached. The interior walls are thoroughly wiped down to remove any spills and stains. The exterior, including handles and the top of the fridge, is also cleaned to leave the appliance looking fresh and new. By the time the cleaning is complete, the fridge is left in pristine condition, ready for use by the next tenant.